I've seen some dark days, I've seen some long nights, I've seen some saviors lost in the front line in the gunfight. I've seen some fake friends, seen G's switch sides. I can't share my pain with you, but I could probably show you how it feels like. This is how life goes, so if you get it, that's the story of my life. I always try to hide my pain, but I'm a bad actor. I got monsters in my head, freaks in my bed. I can't fall asleep, I might sleep when I'm dead. Too many secrets hidden inside my bag. I always hold my breath, so in case I don't get another one. Demon says I'm lucky that I survived death long ago.
My life is like a story running from police, scared to vanish just like a piece of paper in the fire. But I know even if I give up, my shadow will keep running until it sees the golden key of achievement. I've been hurt too many times, too many sharp shots inside my heart.
Demons are giving birth, angels are dying, mothers are crying, while fathers are lying. I see the pain coming to my way, but why I'm not crying? I saw pigeons roaming around, carrying mails for everyone. And I got none, but why I'm not disappointed? I'm alone in a dark mind, but I don't feel the loneliness.
I've been trying things that bring me down, but I'm stable, I can't fall.
The world is swimming in alcohol, breathing the gas of drugs. The nature is toxic, beings are alcoholic. Teenagers start to sip the moonshine and be responsible for gestation.
I'm starting to feel the fear inside, cause I don't know for how long I'm gonna be safe from that fire water and that fire smoke.
Fake friends cannot be defined, I can't trust, so I change my poetry into my diary. I got none to trust, no matter how hard I try, I fail. I'm distracted by my dark shadows, I even see them in daylight. Totally a grey life, it's ironic. Too many secrets hidden inside my bag. Some of them haunt me. I even failed to use the space in my bed. I prayed a lot to keep me awake as soon as the sun goes down and the lights go up. Keep me the whole night. I pray to not die before I wake up.
I don't see the difference between a tree and the bush. All are green. We are living in the world where the mindset is man, where we kill bees and still ask for honey. I don't know why we kill what has the power to create and provide.
When I say my heartbeat pound in my ears like a warning drum, it's not poetry. Loving you, my diary, makes me forget how much I hate myself.